Is ar éigean gur chaill Ardmhacha cléiceannis in na bliana seo in aghaidh deireadh. Tháinig siad chomh héin le bua cuimsethe ar Longford. An Maireachta an cléiceannis risint nó an gurach réalta ó go bhíos Dublin a ruúthar. Ní hála Drisláán agus Charlie Vernon a ha trátarta an bat cléiceannis seo sa Craobh Peile ar a Electric Ireland.
Siar Council, Cailte Dachtí an dóthaimh, Shelva Commod, ag Cúsan Himmerach, Shantanis, ag Ardmhacha, Chattamach ar announcí, Sinead Ross Marston, an Lurgan, Clonmhail, Converton Lína, Halavú Mahanson, ag Maigh agus Dígras an Immerton son, a Shaxta Lordy, Harry McHale, agus an Ratha ar Siúd, Immerhóri ar Haven Lava Clay, agus ar Yesh, agus ag a Darren Pass, Shlaun and Stock Deshan so, ag Maigh Andrew Quinn a Dulles Shack, Cadé ar Cool ag Cúsan Himmerach, Andrew Quinn on Mo Dírach, Shelf Baileha, in Vadon Cool, Lanshe agus Squeelshe, Oracle Stock, Celine Tom, too soon to ag Maigh.
Yeah, sin scored in Scoit and ag túsant líthe seo.
Woods le pass Shakti Dermot O'Rourke, Mathan Van Istóra, Fós, Dulcan Tusagan son, agus Jurgen Fell of Winton son, Tom Mark Sheeran, Dara, Rachel Thurs, Bun Toshta, Dardvach, Pass Clishta, Ishel Ibrahim son, Desher Coolin and Tamsa, Shay Lochran and Captain, agus Shin score, Innsbruck and Captain. Pass Clishta, James McCool, Martin Clehan out Conal Wilson ag Fanacht, agus Gadera, Desh, de Immerhóri, Tachan Tosig, agus Riel should count the go Shakti Imel Carnoiga, Nordia Brigadisha, Tashansar, Cooley Nellen, Counson, Ibrahim Stock, agus Ibrahim, Gus Nasta, Haran Chasnon, is Olam Cooley and Clehe, ag Dermot O'Rourke on a Glushak and son.
Yeah, bhí sé sin Harbar and Cohermer Chana Jason sin, bhí Conawayner and Teve Shaw, agus Conawayner and Teve Ella. Tá sé dinal beidir níos ruesca dó ag fáil na pull sin.
Much in Buta ag Kobe MacDonald agus found Dulcan Canganish. Tá sé fós dul Moran Colúder leis gan Taku is coming ní gá and counts on Dírach Lashig den Coola. And son ag Ardmhacha agus Joachim Rishin counts on Shin Shlaun Treaty Gavin O'Rourke agus Gatera. With Spas ag international for the Ardmhacha and Kate score I'm sure ag an Tarna Lahan counts on ag Kirkaloo Stock Aaron Chasnon sorry you're taking captain Shay Lochran Ardmhacha Risha Jackson son of Dahi O'Callaghan Nave Podrick Carrick Croppen Kenneth Club in the Lauder and son Peile in Ardmhacha agus Ryan Mahori Partigan son Glushik Mark Hurley Kayla Risha Ardmhacha and Counts Ibrahim Stock agus Gus Nasta Haran Chasnon and son Anna Poimert agus Gadera, sé siar go fada leis an lántasí Oisín Dean, Cún go maith an ónach an pastin, tóiste go maith Dean, Johnny's fear ó bhuio agus Shantanis ag Hurley, cá sé dul siar, agus ríist annach hosant ó Ardmhacha Iarach maith tapteach an son ag Oisín Dean ó sé Camalín ortha, scóra chaim siú instant tarna leat ó sé tag ag Gadera. Sar go on reach and son Keelan McEntee on the Shanna Skillna Bonusuk Gama ag Ardmhacha Ida Tamon Treat and Lawrence on McEntee O'Rain Huna Krisha Macofada Le Own Duffy and Council Shlaun Treat Deshanson ag Aaron Garvey Toshik Favor Mayogoni Garvey and Council Dírach Haran Chasnon ag Dervy Lash Ansons on her cool Beshit sauce the Togashid and Coolin Smakta ag Maigh agus Chaktamak Jack O'Malley from Ado Gerrig Shaitan saw agus Bua go compordach ag Dera ag Ardmhacha is she the Vegla Dura ag Cléthe Canish na here in Illa.
We started off, I suppose, the first 15 minutes very nervous. I think we played a lot of the football in the first half, to be honest, and we knew if we cut out mistakes and stopped giving them the scores, we would come out on top, and the boys did that to their credit in the second half. We know what we're about, we know our structure, and you know we were clean in the tackle and we turned them over a lot, and you know that's just down to sheer hard work and skill as well. We'll give ourselves a moment to enjoy the victory. You know the boys is there and just right, and we'll settle down during the week and look at them again, and we look forward to the match in a couple of weeks.